Hi, I'm Cayla Solomon, holistic sleep coach and founder of Sleeping Beauties. This next technique is called 4-7-8 breathing, and it's one of the most effective ways I know of to calm your nervous system as quickly as possible. It's especially helpful before bed or anytime your brain feels overstimulated and it just won't slow down. I particularly like this for my kids who have ADHD because it helps quiet their mind. The rhythm is simple. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. That extended exhale helps shift your body out of fight or flight and into a deeper state of rest and digest. Let's try one round together and I'll be sure to guide you through it. So we're going to inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and breathe normally. You might feel a little lightheaded the first few times. That's pretty normal. Start slow. If the count feels too long, you can shorten it and just work your way up. Personally, I love this one before sleep and after a tense conversation, or even just when I'm feeling sort of wired and tired and that second wind coming on. I also use it if my kids are driving me crazy. Inside the recharge protocol, I show you how to use breath patterns like this one to align with your own sleep rhythm, so winding down actually feels doable. Try another round if you're feeling it, or check out the next video in the series. I'm gonna give it another go before I let you go for the day. So we're going to inhale, hold, and exhale. And again, inhale for 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. That's it. I feel more relaxed already, and I hope you do too. Have a wonderful day and a restful night.